Hi everyone, this is a short video about how to run a JavaScript code in Visual Studio Code. I recently downloaded a Visual Studio Code and I'm trying to run a JavaScript simple code. It's like a printing a variable, but I'm not getting any option to run and I tried different method, but like yeah, by default you will not get an option to run a JavaScript code. So I found a solution for this issue. I'm just wanted to discuss with you also if you're facing the same issue. First of all, you need to go for extension and need to search as code. The second one, it's called code runner. If you see here now, like I written a JavaScript two-line code, there is no any run button here. Code runner is a extension. It will help to run like C, C++, Java, JS, and you can see here multiple codes. And yeah, it will help. Uh, we need to install it in Visual Studio Code, and it will help us to run codes in VS Code. Okay, I have installed the code runner, and if I coming back to my code, you can see here now I can able to see a new button here called run code. Once I save this code, I will just click on this run code, and yeah, I'm getting a message called node is not recognized as an internal or external command, corporate program or batch file. There will be some issue. Okay, let me put it this message in Google. Let us see what we will get. Because I thought it got like installing the extension will resolve this issue, but we will getting one more issue. The error message or node is not recognized as internal external command. Windows command prompt cannot find Node.js executable file. This typically happen to me. Node.js is not installed. Okay. Okay, I think yeah, this is the issue. I didn't install Node.js probably because I remember my in my older laptop I have given like a path, but I'm not remembering here given that path. Okay, so as we install the code runner extension, we thought the issue is resolved, but still, we are unable to run the JavaScript code as it's getting node is not recognized as an internal command or external command, operate operable program or a batch file. So what I think is node is not installed in my system. So basically, we also need to install the Node.js in order to run our JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. Let me check. Okay, it's coming as node is not recognized. Yes. So what I will do first, we will install the Node.js in my system. Before that, in the code runner, if you go to the setting, just a second. Yeah, if we go If you navigate to the setting of the code runner extension which we just downloaded, just check the box run in terminal, and yeah, that's it. We can close it. If you are, if we want, we can just recheck that what we checked. We checked the run in terminal option. Okay. You can search nodejs.org. You will get into this particular site of Node.js, and if you scroll down here, you will get a Windows installer MSI. You can just click on that. It will download the Node.js in your system. It is now installed. I am just opening the Node.js, and next I accept the terms and condition. Next, this is the path. Just copy this path, okay? Because we need this path to add it in environment. I will explain where we need to add this path. I'm just copying this path now. Next, next we can check it, install the necessary tools. Next, in install. So Node.js is installing in my system now. And if you ask me, okay, you installed it right, how you can know that the Node.js installed correctly? For this, there is a simple step. Open the command prompt once again, and you can just search the Node version. Node, just a minute. Okay, let me open it once again. CMD. Okay, Node.js is I can able to see, but just let me check here. Node V. Yeah, you can able to see the version. That's mean it is installed. Okay, yeah, correct. So the final step is add the path of the Node.js in the environment. I will explain you how to add this. We just click on the open the my file this PC, and if you right click, there will be an option called system properties. Yeah, in the system properties, you can see the computer name, hardware, advance. In the advance, you can able to see the environment variable. Click on that, and you can add the new variable as VS Code, and we can add the variable file here, and okay, and click on OK. Okay, yeah, done. Now what we will do, we will just restart the VS Code here. Try to run the code now. Let's see. It should be coming output as hello Trump. Welcome to the JavaScript world. Yes. As you can able to see that we can able to print the JavaScript code without any issues. Only in the beginning you will be getting some challenges, yeah, but we can overcome it after installing the Node.js and adding the path in the environment. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, please give a like and share your thought. Have a good day.